Hi guys, Nick here, and today I'm going to be doing our Marvel London Hand series, and this one is from the Loki first season series. Here's it, and is a Tesseract from 2012 where the Avengers from Avengers Endgame had tried to steal the Tesseract but had failed, and Loki had it in both Avengers Endgame and in the first episode of Loki. And speaking of Loki, it comes with Loki himself in his TVA look, and there's a electric wall play accessory in Loki 3D. It has light effects. Here's the back of a box. And you can also open this up here to see what it looks like. And if you enjoyed today's box and review video, make sure to give this video a like and comment. And if you're new to the channel, press that red subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you will be notified of when a new video is uploaded to the channel. And now let's open this up to see what it looks like on the inside. So about that, got a table. Got it. Now that has open. I think this is the part that Loki comes in. Let's see what he was in here. And here's Loki. He's from 2012. And he also comes with some accessory stuff here. He comes with a little frame here. And some kind of sword. And you also can bend him and twist him around a little bit. And move his knees and arms and his head a little bit. I know it's good and Tesseract out. Which is going to be a little tricky here. Yeah, just going to take that. Hopefully a second. I think that's about it for the box here. Now let's open this up and try and get the Tesseract out. Oops. I thought I dropped this thing here. And here's the Tesseract that has been used as in some of the MCU movies. It has the Infinity Stone, which is the Space Stone, which can teleport anybody throughout the universe. And don't try to open that out because you can also do it. If I can get it open. Well, here you go. And here's a space stone, which can light out. You can take this apart and put it back together, and just like so. And I'll need to open this back up so you can get the space stone back in there. But first, I need batteries so you guys can see this thing light up. And I'll see you guys in a couple seconds. And I'm back. Just got some AAA batteries into this thing here. Let's turn it on. And I was trying to test it out and see what it looks like. I did turn off the lights so you guys can see it in the dark. It's just going to come out in. And here we go. And this is what the lights look like in the dark with the Tesseract glowing. Now I'm going to turn the lights back on and turn off the lights. Lights in. The reason why it's a little bit darker because I think some of my videos ready to upload. Hold on. And make sure to watch the other ones. I kind of lost what I say here. And there we go. And that is it for today's unboxing review. And like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell if you're new. And more videos are coming out soon. And I will see you guys in my next video. And peace.